tech Zaid. Okay, you can see here it will printed here on the OLED display. I will send anything. So developers, today in this video I will show you that the examples of the I2C communication in which we are using this Bluetooth module Hc05, and we will use this display I2C display OLED. Okay, so we will use this, and after that I will show you how UART and I2C works. OLED works on the I2C communication, and this Bluetooth works on the UART communication. You can see here this is RxTX, this is UART communication, and here on the display or SCL SDA, that's the I2C communication. And for this we use this Arduino Nano breadboard and some jumper wires in order to connect with the breadboard. First of all, I will place this Arduino Nano to the breadboard here. So I am placing this Arduino Nano to the breadboard. So I place it on the breadboard here. Okay, after that you can see here, after that I will connect this OLED display to this breadboard here, and then Bluetooth device here. Okay, now we have to connect, you can see here this is a Bluetooth device, this is a Arduino Nano, and the Bluetooth I2C display. So today in this video I will send data from my mobile, and it will display here on this OLED display. Okay, so now it's a time for wiring diagram. So first of all, you can see here's a V-in pin. You can see here's a V-in pin and ground pin. V-in means 5 volt and ground means ground. So first of all, I will connect to those two, V-in and ground pin here, and then place it there. So now this line is all VCC 5 voltage from there to there. These are all 5 volts, and here these are all ground pins. Now we will connect our OLED display and Bluetooth with the help of these wires. Okay, now I will connect the VCC of, you can see VCC of Nano to the VCC of, you can see here the VCC of OLED display. Okay, now similarly I will connect the ground from ground here. You can see the ground pin here, ground of Arduino to the ground of this OLED display. You can see here ground of this OLED display. Okay, after that, so now I will connect the VCC to this Bluetooth model and ground to this Bluetooth model. So the above one is VCC, and I will give VCC, and this one is ground. You can see here. So you can see here. Now I will give 5 volt to the Bluetooth here. You can see the second one is VCC. You can see here the second one is VCC. So now I will place here VCC to the 5 volt to the VCC of the Bluetooth module. Okay, and ground to the ground of the Bluetooth module. Here ground is a third pin. You can see is a ground. Okay, so now our this is, we only connect the power supply, ground and VCC. Now we have connected the UART pins and I2C pins. So in the previous video I told you that UART pins are RX and TX, and here I2C pins are SCL SDA. So here SCL SDA, and here is the RX TX. So that means it works on UART and it works on I2C communication. In this video we will show you that how UART and I2C works. So if you remember that the I2C pins are A5 and A4. I already told you in the last video. Here you can see it's a A5 pin. I will show here's A5. Here's A5 pin here. So now connect A5, okay, to the SCL of the display here. SCL of the display here is SCL of the display. SCL of the display, okay. Similarly connect A4 pin here. You can see A pin of A4. Connect the pin A4 to the SDA of the Arduino, sorry, SDA of the OLED display, okay. So our connection diagram is ready here. Now we have to connect this Bluetooth RX and TX, okay. It depends upon your code. If you are using 0 or 1 RX TX, or if you are using another pins. So here I am using 10 and 11. So using software serial.h, my RX TX is D10 and RX TX is 11. Here you can see. So using the software serial, I make D10 RX and D11 TX. Then we have to connect it RX to the TX of this Bluetooth. So always remember, you have to give cross connections. RX of Nano to the TX of Bluetooth module here, and TX of Bluetooth Arduino to the RX of Bluetooth. Here we have to give cross connections. So I have already discussed it in the last video. If you don't watch this video, then go back and watch my Arduino playlist. I have already mentioned that. Now our connection diagram is okay. Now I will upload the code and I will show you. When I send data from my phone, it will show here on the display. So first of all, we are going to upload the code using Arduino IDE, okay. So now let us connect this mini USB. Now I will connect it to my system here, okay. So I will connect it to my system, and then we will upload the code. So here is my code. You can see here is the code. So here we have to set the port and board. So I have already selected Arduino Nano here, and my COM port is already connected. So I will suggest one thing while uploading the code. You have to remember one thing, that in tools section you have to select the processor here, old bootloader. Whenever you are going to upload the code on the Arduino Nano, always you can select Atmega 328 old bootloader. Only your code will be uploaded. So now I will upload the code here. First of all, it will compile the circuit. After that, it will upload the code, okay. So codes compiling here. So I think, yeah, this here is a COM port missing. So I will go to there and select here on the, you can see, select the other board and ports. Now I will choose here COM12 serial port USB, and then search here Nano, Nano, and I will select Arduino Nano, then click OK. Now I will upload the code. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you find this video useful, then I request you to do subscribe my YouTube channel and do follow my Facebook tag Zaid, so for more and latest videos. So code is successfully uploaded. Now we will check here on my, you can see here. So let us, so now you can see the Bluetooth is ready. Here it shows Bluetooth is ready, okay. Now we will pair the Bluetooth device. Bluetooth is working here, you can see. Now we will pair the Bluetooth to our mobile phone and then send data. You will see it will print here, okay. So now I will open my phone and then click here. So here's one device, the Hc05, okay. I will click here on the Hc05 and it will pair, and I will pair this and pair this Bluetooth device, okay. Now I will open this serial Blue. You can download it from Play Store. serial Bluetooth terminal. Okay, now click here on the connect option. You can see here's the connect option, connect, and here it's the stats is connected. Now I will send data from here, for example Zaid. Okay, you can see here it will printed here on the OLED display. I will send anything, how are you, so it will print here on this OLED display, and I will send here subscribe, so it will show here on the screen. So this is the example of the UART and UART and I2C communication. In UART communication we are using RxTX Bluetooth module, and with the help of this I send data from my device to this Arduino Nano using Bluetooth, and then Arduino Nano displays it on the OLED display using I2C communication. So it's an example of the I2C communication. I hope you enjoy this video, you like this video. To subscribe and do follow my YouTube tag there. Inshallah we will meet in next video. So finally here is the example. Also you can do it one thing, you can control LEDs using this. You can send here, for example in next video I will show you how we control the LED using this Bluetooth device. We will send data here, and our LED will glow. Okay, so inshallah we will meet in next video. Thank you so much.